Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Ensure you have a replacement battery compatible with the Conga 1790. Start by turning off the device and unplugging it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the Conga 1790. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel with the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage the casing. With the back panel off, you will see the internal components of the device. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside using the soft cloth. This will help maintain the performance of your Conga 1790. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have it serviced without any hassle. Now locate the battery. It is usually secured with clips or additional screws. If there are screws, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove them. Once the battery is free, disconnect it from the device by gently pulling the connector. Make sure to handle the wires carefully to avoid any damage. Take your new battery and connect it to the device, ensuring the connector is secure. If you have any doubts about the connection, refer to the user manual for guidance. After connecting the new battery, secure it in place with the clips or screws you removed earlier. Before reassembling the back panel, it's a good idea to test the device. Plug it in and turn it on to ensure the new battery is functioning correctly. If everything is working as expected, proceed to reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently until it clicks into place. Then, replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely. Finally, give your Conga 1790 a thorough wipe down to remove any fingerprints or smudges. If you prefer, we can provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect if you decide to have a professional handle it. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the battery in your Conga 1790. This process not only extends the life of your device, but also ensures it operates at peak performance. Remember, if you encounter any issues or feel uncertain at any point, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. We're here to assist you with no calls, no travel, making it as convenient as possible. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.